Hi guys.
Hi.
Hello. So today we're going to be speaking about something a little bit mysterious. Something spooky, I swear. So Vlada, do you believe in things that can bring you good or bad luck?
Yes, I think some things can bring bad or good luck.
Mm-hmm. What kind of things?
Well, I don't know. If you go under a ladder, you kind of cause bad luck.
Right, okay. Elena, do you share his opinions?
Yeah, I do believe in things that can affect your life mysteriously, like never put your bag on the floor, you will never have money.
Oh.
I had a friend when I was really young that her mom taught her this trick, this superstition, and she millions of times told me never put your, and today I cannot put my bag on the floor. Seriously, I'm programmed. I'm like, I put my bag on the floor. Oh my god, I never have money. And I switch to the table. I'm safe now.
She's a millionaire.
I'm a millionaire.
I'm going to start doing that.
Start doing this.
Well, yeah, you kind of...
And black cats.
Black cats.
Black cats. Wait for somebody to cross the road before you. If the black cat crosses the road.
Yeah, but you kind of mentioned already the word that we were going to be speaking about today. So the topic of today's class are those types of superstitions.
Mm-hmm.
So what you said with the cat. So would you say you're a superstitious person?
Am I superstitious?
Yes.
Well, I think I'm slightly superstitious.
Mm-hmm. Could you ask Elena?
Yeah, do you think that you are superstitious?
I think I'm, in a sense, yes. Not that it's affecting my life, but yes, I think I'm a little bit.
Great, okay. So let's start with some of the superstitions.
Oh, I can't wait.
So, Vlada, do you ever carry like an item with you that you believe has some positive benefit?
Yes, I carry some things that I think cause good luck.
Mm-hmm. Okay, so in certain cultures, we call those little thingies a rabbit's foot. So could you repeat?
That's rabbit's foot.
Yeah.
Is that like a real rabbit's foot?
In some cultures, yes.
Oh, damn.
But because we, became a little bit politically correct, no rabbits were harmed, generally. So rabbit's foot. Could you ask Elena if she carries some?
Do you carry a rabbit's foot?
No, I do not carry a rabbit's foot.
Yeah. It's a bit morbid if you ask me, I don't know.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I would agree. Well, these items, similar to a rabbit's foot and kind of some little trinkets you would carry to protect you, we can call them amulets. So can you repeat?
Amulets, right?
Amulets.
Objects that brings us good luck,
Yes.
right?
Yes.
Are amulets.
Yes, an amulet. So it's like a rabbit's foot, but it can be anything else as well.
Lucky pen,
Yeah,
lucky
exactly.
shirt.
Do you have any amulets?
Well, I kind of have a, lucky outfit.
Oh, really?
Yeah, that I would wear if I need to
Uh-huh.
make a good impression, but I don't think it works.
Is it just a nice outfit?
Yeah.
I love your excuse.
Oh no, my lucky outfit is not clean. So unlucky.
Could you ask Vlada if he has any amulets?
Vlada, do you have any amulets
Oh,
that you bring with you?
I have loads of amulets. Like every single thing in my possession is an amulet.
Lucky boy.
Not all of them work, I think. Probably the majority doesn't, but I have lots of amulets.
Would you say you're an amulet hoarder?
Maybe I am an amulet hoarder,
You need a TLC.
You can never have enough good luck, I mean.
Exactly. And when we're on the topic of amulets and hoarding things, do you believe in ghosts, maybe?
In ghosts? Well, I used to when I was a kid, but no, not really.
Not really. Okay. Elena, do you believe in ghosts?
No, I do not believe in
You
ghosts.
do not believe in ghosts. And have you ever maybe tried to communicate with ghosts?
I did. We did this when I was, I think, 3rd or 4th grade. We had a haunted house in a neighborhood. Everybody did. It was like this abandoned house, squeaky house, and we went to summon the ghost, and I was so scared, guys. I couldn't sleep for 4 days. It was dark. Everything was squeaking. We heard noises, and after that, my mom explained to me ghosts do not exist. And after that, I'm like, whew, I'm safe because I was feeling that this ghost is haunting me. Like for 4 days, I couldn't sleep.
Oh, wow. Well, maybe when you mentioned that you tried to communicate with the ghost, so you would use a Ouija board.
A Ouija board.
Can you repeat?
Yeah, a Ouija board.
Could you ask Vlada, have you ever used a
Vlada, have you ever used the Ouija boards to summon a ghost?
No, I've never used a Ouija board. I'm too afraid of those things.
Exactly.
Yeah. Good job. A Ouija board. Exactly. And Vlado, do you believe that maybe some animals, like I want to mention the black cat, or some other animals could bring forth bad luck?
Well, there is this black bat. It looks like very, very ugly.
Uh-huh. Yeah, you're on the right track. So we would call that black bird a raven.
A raven. Okay.
So do you believe ravens cause bad luck?
Well, you can always see a raven around graveyards, so I guess that's kind of a sign.
Could you ask Vlada?
Do you think that ravens bring bad luck?
No, I don't believe ravens bring bad luck. They're just blackbirds.
That's blackbirds. Very rational. Yeah, alright, cool. And during lunch, has it ever happened to you that you kind of accidentally spill salt all over the table?
Salt?
Yes.
Maybe sometimes. I don't really recall.
Mm-hmm. And has anything bad ever happened after you spilled salt?
I don't think so.
Good. So that's an example of a superstition. Basically, tipping over a salt shaker.
Oh, really?
Yes, is considered a bad luck. What do you think about
I
tipping
didn't know
over a
that.
salt shaker?
Well, I never tipped a salt shaker, but I know that my grandma would go crazy if someone actually tipped over a salt
Really?
shaker. Yeah, nothing ever happened, but you know.
Oh, is that when you throw the salt?
Oh, I think
behind
that's for
your-
good luck.
Oh, that's for good luck.
That's important, yeah.
I didn't know this about this tipping the salt
Yeah, I
shaker.
think that's more American, though.
Yeah, probably.
Yeah. Yeah. But maybe your grandma got mad just because of the mess.
No, she's a very superstitious lady.
Oh,
Yeah.
she's a superstitious lady. Okay, we will use that information later.
Okay.
Good job. And do you know of people that collect certain maybe flowers or plants as amulets or kind of good luck?
Flowers, no, but I do know one of my friends collect coins for good luck. Yeah, she thinks that when she finds a coin, that it's a good luck, and every time she finds a coin, she keeps it. She has a collection of lucky coins.
Nice. Okay, well,
Yeah.
that is a little bit related to this, but not necessarily. So people often like to collect, my drawing is horrible, but a 4-leaf clover. Okay, it doesn't look like this, but it has 4 leaves, and
Yes.
it's a plant.
Ah, yes.
Oh, this is not a flower, right?
It's not a flower. This is not a flower.
It's a plant.
It's a
Yes.
plant and it's green.
Oh,
Yes.
that's like the thing from the leprechauns. the
Yeah, like
leprechauns,
a
right?
Irish clover. Yeah.
Yes. So have you ever found a 4-leaf clover? Well,
No, I have actually never found a falling clover, and I have tried. Believe me, I have tried.
And why do you think people consider them as good luck? Why it's just a plant like any other, right?
Well, I have never found one, so I guess they're rare.
Yeah, they're rare, so yes, that's why.
Have you ever found
Thank
a
you.
falling clover?
Never went through clovers looking for for one with 4 leaves. But I know amulets, like silver amulets, bracelets, they all have a 4-leaf clover. So I know it's lucky, but I never actually went looking for it.
Nice. Cool. And Elena, do you think that there's a thing people do maybe with their arms or hands in
Oh,
order
yes.
to
Definitely. Like, cross your fingers
Exactly.
or sit on your hands.
Oh, I do
or-
know that one.
Yeah, there's a lot of things you can do. Never cross your legs underneath the table because I don't know, bad energy or something, or but cross your fingers for good luck.
Could you ask Vlada, has he ever?
Vlada, have you ever did something with your hands?
Or?
Cross your fingers for good luck.
Yes, a couple of times I have crossed my fingers for good luck.
Nice. And Did it help?
Well, I don't really know. I think it's like too low on you know.
Aha, okay. Yeah, it's not like powerful
It's
enough.
not
Yes,
like
somehow.
rabbit's
It's not
foot.
like nothing
Yeah.
else like. Good, okay. And have you ever really seen something in the sky during the night, and it could be considered as good luck? Maybe something.
Falling
From-
star.
Yeah, exactly. We call it a shooting star.
A shooting star, yes.
Have you ever seen a shooting star? Then?
I think I did once in it was like really clear night, and I think I saw a shooting star, and you're supposed to make a wish. And
Exactly.
I do remember that we all like said, let's make a wish, it's a shooting star, but I don't even remember what I wished for. It was like we were kids.
Nice. Could you ask the same?
Lada, have you ever seen a shooting star?
No, I have never seen a shooting star. Definitely. I've seen it in films. Does that count?
Yes, it does. But that's why Elena's a millionaire. Again, she saw a shooting star, no person on the floor. That's why we're poor.
No person on the floor.
Yes.
Remember that.
Nice. And lastly, so how do you, first of all, let's go through all of these and say if they're good or bad luck. So, Lada, a rabbit's foot, would you say it's
Rabbit's foot should be for good luck, right?
good luck? Elena?
Annulment is for good luck.
And
Amulet.
amulet.
Amulet. Okay, sorry. Amulet is for good luck.
Amazing. Well done. Could you read it?
Ouija board, right?
Yeah.
That's for, I guess, bad luck. Where
Bad luck.
like something goes.
To attract negative spirits.
Oh,
Yeah.
yeah.
Elena?
A raven, bad luck.
Bad luck. Good job. Lada?
Tipping a salt shaker, well, definitely bad luck, I guess.
Bad luck. Elena?
A four-leaf clover is for good luck.
Good luck. Amazing. Lada?
Crossing your fingers, good luck. Never happened, but I guess good luck.
And a shooting star for good luck.
Good luck and money.
Money.
Good job. So, we have, let's first define the negative ones. So we have Ouija board, a raven, and tipping a salt shaker. So we would say these superstitions bring bad fortune or bad luck. Could you repeat?
They bring
Bad fortune. To bring bad fortune.
Bad
Or
fortune.
bad luck.
Or luck, yeah, we know luck. And then if these positive ones, so if these bring bad fortune, what fortune could these bring?
Good fortune.
Exactly. So these would bring, you get the idea?
Yeah.
Good
Good fortune.
fortune or luck. Amazing. So now that we've kind of gone through all of these superstitions, what I want you guys to do in pair, well, it's just you, so in a pair, I want you guys to reach a consensus regarding which of these superstitions you believe in and which of them you don't believe in. So as a team, you will present your findings to me. I will be listening.
So, Lada, what do you think? What's the good fortunes that we believe in?
Well, I think that.
What are the good fortunes?
Well, I think that an amulet definitely brings good fortune.
Definitely. Rabbit foot, you said.
Well, I wouldn't have any rabbit
Yeah,
feet.
let's discard that. It's not environmentally friendly.
Yes,
Yes, but a four-leaf clover, it's a nice one to have.
Yes, I would definitely have a four-leaf clover if I would be able to find
Open your
one.
eyes when you walk through the grass. We have to
Yes.
find this.
And you don't believe in a raven bringing bad fortune?
I don't. Yeah, too many ravens. We will all have just bad luck if we believe in ravens. They're just animals. Shooting stars may be too rare. Let's discard that. Like, we're not going to believe because maybe we're never going to see it.
Yeah, I definitely
Again,
agree.
yes. So let's say we're not going to count our lucks for a shooting star. So, and crossing the fingers, it's too easy.
Yeah,
so we
that's
need
too
to
easy.
keep this, huh? What do you think?
Yeah, I agree. And Ouija board, not planning to buy one, so I guess we can all show this other.
We're
Not
not.
everyone has a Ouija board, I guess.
Yeah, it's. You didn't put the black cat. That's the,
Oh.
I think, Serbian, the bad omen number one. That's the fortune number one. So, I think we agree.
Yeah,
Yeah.
definitely agreed.
Amazing. So could you guys tell me which of these do you actually believe in? Lado, could you
Lado.
tell me for the ones you believe in, and then?
Yeah, we kind of agree that amulets do bring good fortune.
Why?
And, well, I don't know, we just agreed.
You just
that was
agreed,
kind of, we just,
In the spur
it
of the
just
moment.
appeared, yeah.
Okay.
It
You
just
need to
happened.
believe in them for them to work, and we do.
Yeah, and we do, and they were.
And they
And they
work.
were.
So cool.
That's it.
Nice.
Yes.
Okay.
We also agree that the four-leaved clover is an indicator of good luck
Cool.
or good fortune.
Mm-hmm.
And we said that crossing your fingers might be too easy, actually.
Mm-hmm.
The rest is
Elena's territory. So the rest, you don't believe in what?
For bad fortune, we don't believe that ravens bring bad fortune. They're just the birds, and a Ouija board is not something we're planning on ever touching. So it cannot bring us bad fortune.
Nice.
All the horror movies told us not to
Yeah.
touch
Yeah,
a
never
Ouija
touch a
board.
Ouija board, yeah.
So I guess we're gonna say tipping a salt shaker is something that can happen, and if it does, it might bring bad luck. So we're gonna keep our eyes on that. Not
Keep
to
our eyes on.
keep our eyes on that, not to tip a salt shaker.
Cool. Amazing. Good job, guys. So now, lastly, as a little kind of sum up of everything we've done, summary, you guys are going to do a little role play scenario.
Okay.
So one person is a psychic, kind of a medium, a person who works with spirits, yeah, so basically a psychic, and the other person has like a problem. Or a good fortune, like a lot of good fortune. So you would say, I don't know, I just saw a raven, what should I do? And then the psychic will give you advice, okay? So while you can be the psychic, and then you can have a situation, good or bad, doesn't
Good
matter.
or bad?
I'm listening, I'm not helping you now, and then I'll give you notes later.
I have a problem with good fortune.
is that even a thing?
No.
I came too rich.
No, I have a bad fortune. So, Vlada, I have a huge problem.
Tell me everything.
Oh my God, you have to help me. Like ravens, black ravens have been in front of my car, in front of my windows. They're knocking on my doors. And since this happened, bad things happened to me. Like I broke a window. I stepped into a mud and lost my shoe, like
Oh my God.
literally lost my shoe. Then my key breaks in my door, like everything is wrong. Can
Oh,
you
no.
please, what can I do? What can I do to break this cycle? I'm so scared.
Yes, well, I think that killing a raven is not a nice thing to do, so we have to allow it somehow.
Thank God, I could never kill an animal.
Yes, maybe you should try looking for four-leaf clover. That's good, but
Okay.
it might happen these are too rare. So you can always pick an item of your clothing or something that you already have, make it an amulet. Something that you like, something that you think will bring you good fortune.
How do I do it? Do I bring it to you? You can like put some.
No, it's just in believing. You know, in superstition,
believe.
everything is about believing. So if
Okay.
you believe, things happen.
So I need to pick one item that I will like put my good energy and my beliefs into, and it will protect me from the
Yes, because it will get to be your amulet. What else you can do? You can also try and, well, look for a shooting star, but those are also very rare, so I guess the best option is to stick to an amulet.
Good, okay, I can do that.
That would be 200 euros.
Oh my God, no problem. There you go.
Because she's a millionaire.
Thank you very much. This is easy.
Great job. And now you're the psychic and you have a problem.
Okay.
Son, tell me your problem.
Well, I have inherited this Ouija board from a grandma, and since that thing entered my house, I cannot, like stop experiencing bad fortune. It happens that I don't know, like my stove was on fire the other day. I don't know how. And also I had a problem with my plants, all of them died, and I
Oh
love
my
plants
God,
very
yes.
much. So that was kind of like a very, very sad experience. I need to stop that. So what
So
can I
with
do?
a Ouija board, the thing is, especially when you inherit one, it's connected to the spirit that it was used to summon it. So if your ancestors, grandmother, or somebody has used this Ouija board and summoned a ghost, it's connected to this. So you need to you bring the item to your home, you bring the spirit to the home. So not concretely the Ouija board is dangerous, but the spirit that's attached to. So you need to bury these spirits. You have to get rid of the Ouija board.
Okay.
So you need to take it to the sacred ground, sorry. So it's a cemetery or near the church, whichever you prefer, and bury it. And with it, you will bury any bad energy that brings. So this will save your Ouija board problems, but you need to get rid of actual boards.
And how can I drag on a bit of good luck? I'm kind of in minus
So
now.
this burying of the board will minimize the effects of the ghost, and of course there are some standard things that you can do to bring good luck. I would suggest I have a nice selection of rabbit's foots here. You can look. Some of them from real rabbits, some of them are for fake, but they are all blessed. So look at them, they're very affordable.
They're great, but do you maybe have any other option?
Of course, you can choose a lucky item or an amulet for yourself. So this is something that you believe that brings you good luck. You maybe already have something like this in your home. So you can use it and carry with you all the time. It will bring you good luck. Also, I will suggest you to look for the four-leaved clover. It's really a powerful thing, and if you keep it in your left pocket, it will bring you fortune and love.
Oh, really? Great.
Yes.
Okay, so this weekend I'm going to the countryside.
Yes, yes. Sunshine and good luck.
Yes, great. Thank you very much.
No problem. 300 euros.
I think this is not bad.
Guys, you're amazing. Okay, I just have two questions, very briefly.
Yes.
So, do we say, let me write it on the board. So, I step into mud. Or could we change something here?
I stepped.
Yes, stepped.
Because it happened?
Yeah.
Okay, so Edie, good
I
job.
stepped.
Okay, I stepped into mud and a key breaks.
Broke, yeah.
Amazing, good
Yeah.
job. Broke. Because again, it happened in the past.
Yeah.
Other than that, you guys were amazing. Thank you for coming. I hope you have good luck after this class. No homework, and that's it.